This has an electric tongue jack on it. We're offering this unit at $179 a month as long as everything lines up real nicely. It's a 23 RBM. So what that means is it's 23 feet long, excluding the tongue, and a Murphy bed. Let's go on inside and take a look. It's pretty nice. So this particular unit has a great floor plan, but it's also solar ready. It has a great insulation package on it. It's just a really nice rig, and it's only 23 feet. Let's go on in and take a look. 3 steps and you're in. It's amazing, isn't it? It's a pretty big trailer for 23 feet. Lots and lots of space. You have this lovely horseshoe dinette. It's a very, very soft, comfortable fabric. You've got storage underneath here, all the way around, easily accessed by just this door. We have a really nice walk-around bed here. I see that there's a couple pillows that go along with it. So this bed isn't always set up. The charm of this trailer is that you can have a couch and a bed and a short trailer, a walk-around bed. Great storage on each side with some shelving in it. It has a lighter wood color, so it doesn't feel so small. You know, most people know that a dark color creates a small feeling. I'm going to show you how this bed works. I'm just going to stow this pillow right up in here and see how easy that is. Murphy beds have gotten very popular over this last couple of years. It's just a great use of space. So we want to put the bed away. We simply just push it up here and it clasps just like a regular door would. Just like that. And of course the mattress is wrapped up right at the moment, so you're going to see that hanging over. You've got a nice couch here to sit down on. So when you're visiting with friends and family, you've got a nice sofa, you have a great walk-around bed, a great big dinette, and I'm going to show you just a few other things. Hang on for just a minute. So you've got some great space, great storage space. Storage space in a travel trailer is pretty important. And with a 23-foot travel trailer, a lot of times you forfeit that walk-around bed or any real storage or a large dinette. So let's take a look at this. You've got a massive storage in here, storage down below, storage on each side of the bed. The TV oscillates, so if you want to watch it in bed, you can. If someone wants to watch it at the dinette, you can. You've got all this counter space that goes right on down. All these cabinets, all this storage up here. It's really nice setup. So you got the microwave, you got a range top, you got an oven, you've got a great big refrigerator. This is a Norcold refrigerator, which I believe is one of the nicest brand. Dometic's okay, but Norcold's fantastic. You have a great pantry here. So another utility drawer. And then the best for last, right? How about that for a bathroom? It's really nice. You've got a shower that's similar to the shower that you would have at home. You've got a medicine cabinet. You've got a nice basin, enough room to move around. It really makes that handy. It makes it feel comfortable. You don't have to feel cramped at all. You can get a good look at this as the cameraman spins around and shows you from this perspective right here. It's a really nice setup. So I want to remind you that this is on our 30 for 30 sale. This is the 23 RBM put out by Jayco. Terrific trailer, easily towed by half-ton pickup. Come on out and take a look at it. Sit down on the couch. Take a look for yourself. That's when the rubber meets the road, so to speak. So I'm Barb, Barbara D at Guarantee RV. You can call me directly. I'm at 541-521-4232. I look forward to hearing from you.